Welcome to IELTS Practice Exam. I'm your IELTS examiner. My name is TALHA YASEEN. Let's start today's IELTS Speaking Practice Exam. What's your full name?
My full name is On Muhammad.
How may I address you?
You may address me as On.
Okay, on. Where do you come from?
I come from Multan.
Describe your city.
Multan is a very peaceful city and very agricultural city, and everything we eat in Multan is very pure and natural.
Do you work or study?
Yes, I am doing FSC now, and my study subject is biology
Why did you choose that subject?
because I have a lot of interest in medical field. I want to do MBBS, so that's why we choose.
Do you prefer studying alone or in group?
Sir, I prefer study alone because by studying alone you have a lot of time to observe more information and retain your information more effectively.
Do you prefer studying in mornings or in evenings?
I prefer study in a morning because in morning my mind is so fresh and I retain information more effectively and mind is so clear.
Okay. What is your favorite sports?
My favorite sports is a cricket because in Pakistan everyone love cricket.
What is your favorite sports person?
My favorite sports person is Pakistan ex-captain Babar Azam. He is one of the most finest batsmen Pakistan ever produced and most athletic batsman. He is known as a great batsman in our generation and he is one of the best captain of Pakistan.
Okay, this is the end of IELTS speaking part 1. Now we are in IELTS speaking part 2. In this part, I'll give you a cue card.
Yes.
You'll have 1 minute to prepare. You can take notes if you want. Then you have to speak on it for 2 minutes.
Yes.
Your cue card is describe a farewell party
Yes.
that you enjoyed. This is your cue card. This is the pen. Your time starts now. Start.
Last year, last year I attended a party at our college at 9 a.m. Our teachers and our juniors were arranged this party. Me and my friends were wearing a black cloth and I wear a black pant coat. We reached our destination at 9:30 a.m. and first of all we meet our friends and teachers. Then party was started at 10 a.m. and our principal started this party and with a motivational talk to motivate us for a future. And he also gave us a prize who was the best student of our school, student of the year. And also then we had a dinner together and at last we had a party like dance party. Our local singers of our city came here to perform and it was also a very best party and at last we take pictures with our teachers and friends and also take signatures in our books of our teachers.
That's the end of cue card. Let's move on to the part 3 of IELTS speaking practice exam, that is follow up questions. What is the difference between holding a party at home or public?
Holding a party at home gives you more work and more privacy and the food we eat is a natural and it and the host can manage all the things and it added a lot of work like cooking, cleaning. But holding a party at restaurants or clubs gives you more space and all the professional food and all the professional things, and it is quite expensive.
What will you do if you disturbed by a neighbor's party?
If I disturb by a neighbor's party, first of all, I ask them to lower their voices, or also I use the earplug to stop the voice, and calling the authorities to ask them to stop their voices. And I also manage it calmly because I also want to manage a good relationship with my neighbors. Also.
Do you think music and dancing are must at party?
Yeah, I think music and dancing are must at party because music and dancing added a lot of energy and joy in our party. But it depend upon the type of a person. Some people like a quiet party, like they want to talk and had a conversation. It depend upon the type of a person.
Okay. Do you think those who tend to stay at home are less healthy than those who often attend parties?
Who tend to stay at home does not give necessarily less healthy. Like some, it depend upon the type of a person. Some people love to socialize and had a party with everyone and they want to talk with everyone. These are type of extrovert person who love to talk with everyone, but more party disturb your sleep cycle, and also it is unhealthy. So it depend upon the type of a person.
Okay. Why people like parties?
People like parties because it depend upon the person. Some people like to enjoy with their friends and with their family circle. These are some extroverts who love to talk with everyone and had a party with their friends and relatives. These are very chill persons.
Okay. That's the end of IELTS speaking practice test.